Assalamu alaikum. Safe? Safe, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Safe. Safe, share your screen, please.
Okay, I didn't enter it from the laptop. I'm entering now.
Okay.
It's like I've had the Microsoft thing where it says login and
Uh, you're talking about Zoom?
no, like when you open the laptop, sometimes it
Uh-huh. It asks you
like
for login page.
yes,
But
yes.
but yeah, okay. And then is it you're stuck
I'm
there?
done. I'm entering. No, I made
You're
a
just
skip.
waiting.
It's Microsoft itself.
Okay, so it's a Windows.
Yes, I'm now entering.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'm joining now.
Yes, okay. I saw it.
Okay, I'm going to go out from the phone. Okay.
Okay, up to you.
Okay.
Okay, start sharing your screen.
Hi, Mister.
Yes, I can hear you. Start sharing your
You want
screen.
me to share
The
my screen?
replet. Yes, the replet, yes.
Okay.
So, okay, let me until I see until I see your screen. Just let me tell you a few things. So, when you would like to actually share something
Okay.
with you, you don't really need to take a video for it. It is more than enough. You do a print screen. Do you know how to do a print screen?
Mister, like the sound is lag.
It's on and off.
The sound, your sound is laggy. Can you repeat?
Okay, let me check here. Give me a second. My sound is lagging, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Hopefully, I don't have to reset anything. Hopefully. Let's see. Okay. So what about now? Is it better now? Is it stable now?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yes. Yes.
So what I would say is that you don't really have to take a video for me. So it's enough to do a print
Have to
screen.
what? Have to what again?
You don't have to take a video.
Mister?
Yes, it's my sound again. Is it my sound again? On and off?
Yes.
Wow.
I think the problem is with my laptop. I'm going to enter with the phone. Okay. The same time.
Yeah, yeah, okay. You can do that. Let's try and see.
Okay. I'm joining now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Can you see my screen?
yes, I can. You have to off one of them. What about now? I mean, how is the voice now?
What? What?
Wow. Why there is echo? Huh?
I think I have to exit from the phone.
But you already off the sound from the phone. That's a bit strange. Uh, y-
Yes, because like he can hear you.
wow. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to exit from the phone.
Okay. Can you open the replet, please?
Okay, can you see my screen, Mister?
Yes, I can see it. Yes. So
Okay.
actually, I'm not very sure from where you get this.
What? The-
From where you get this line.
no, like I just found it now.
Okay, no problem. Just ignore it. This is not needed actually. Okay.
Okay, I send you like a video. I didn't think
Yes,
it
correct.
was there.
Yes. So actually, what you did is not bad at all. But my question now, I think you did keep this. Why you put a height here? We don't have in this equation where we calculate the volume. We have a pi constant, which is this. we have radius, which is this one. And we have 4 divided by 3.
No height?
No height. I mean, do you see any height in this equation on line number 7? So there is no need for
No.
height,
Okay.
right? So if there is no height, it
Yes.
means that what you can do now is you either need to remove it. Yes, okay, but slowly, slowly. Yep, that's good. So
The
okay.
first equation run properly. It's the second one which didn't.
Yes, I understand. So you
run.
press enter here, please, 2 times. Come on line number 8, press enter 2 times. Okay, that's good. So, and try to put your mouse here in the middle and try to push. Yes, push it to this side a bit. Yes, yes, more. Yeah, yeah, a bit more. Enough, enough, enough. Stop, 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 stop.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. So what I want to say that, okay, this is okay.
Mister, are you speaking?
No, not yet. I'm thinking.
Okay.
So I'm not very sure about why you need to put this, but actually the number is not for equation, but it's okay. The only thing is that I'm not sure why we didn't use int here. We're supposed to use int here. Okay. Do you know how to use int,
Yes.
right? Same like you did above.
Yes, yes, I know. Write it now?
Yes, you can write it now. Okay. This line number 12 is not needed. So you can just put hash here.
Again, please.
You can put this line number 12 is not needed. You do not need.
Line number 12, Mister, I can't hear you well.
Really?
I
Still
think
again?
the problem is with my connection.
Pop, pop, pop. What about
Yes,
if
yes,
we
I
try
think the
to?
problem is with my connection. Mister?
Yes. What about if we close and open again? What do you think?
I'm moving closer to the router.
Okay. Hopefully it's better.
Okay, now I can hear.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So
okay, line number 12.
Line number 12, you do not need it. So you can just comment it. Do you know how to comment a line? Just put hashtag before it.
Okay. Mister, you were telling me something about the videos and
yeah, but let
at the
me
start.
yes, I can share it with you after we finish here. So just let me think with you.
Okay.
So here you're trying to write a condition. The condition is supposed to, if any condition should look like this. So part 1 equal, and then part 2. And we have something here called operator. You already put operator and you already put 1. So you already put this. And you already put part 2, which is equal 1. Okay. But you did not put part 1. So part 1 is what? So you are put
If answer?
Sorry again.
Part 1 if answer?
No, the part 1 is it's a part that is necessary to build the condition. What you are, this whole thing is called a condition. So this condition that you are trying to build needs 3 parts to work. You are only putting 2 parts. Okay. The missing part is the part that you're going to check to see if it is odd or even. So you're supposed to write here the number. So this number should come in the place of part 1. So it means that your condition is supposed to be number Okay, equal
Okay, if number.
1. Okay,
Okay.
but wait. What we tried
Okay.
last time, so you need to write number. Yes, it's correct. You need to write this, but we still have something here also, because okay, we are actually not comparing the number alone to 1. We're supposed to comparing the number and modulus 2 to see if it is equal 1. So why we say modulus 2? Modulus 2 because we are trying to check. I'm not very sure why Ali did not
Okay,
enter
so
yet.
it will be like this, right?
Yes, correct. Yes, correct.
Also in the second one.
No, in the second one, actually, you don't. So in the second one, you don't need even to write else if. You just write else and put a colon,
Okay.
and there is nothing else. That you just put else, colon, that's it. And even this part you don't
Okay.
need.
Okay.
Okay, that is one thing. And then also the if need always to start from the start of the line. I mean, wait, you make a control Z, please. Control Z.
Control Z.
Yes.
Okay.
You deleted line. Yes, you should not delete this. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So the if need to start from the start of the line. So you need to push it back.
Like this?
No, you need to move. You need to move the cursor. Yes, here, and then you
Move
start to move back. Make a backspace.
What do I press?
Press
Back.
backspace.
Space?
Backspace. Backspace.
Backspace. Yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. Enough. One time only. Press enter. Yes. Okay, that's
Okay.
good. And then you come
Here
here.
also?
Here you press a tab.
A
Line
tab?
14, press a tab. One time only. Is it one time?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Wow, it's a lot, huh? Okay, never mind. You come here with the else. You put it same like you do with the if. Yes, exactly. One more time. You
Okay.
wait. A single space will not make your program work. So they have to be exactly at the same. So move the cursor behind the E, exactly behind the E.
Behind this E?
No, I mean here.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, now move backspace. Okay, now the
Yes.
okay.
Move
And then you come to
backspace.
the P, you press a tab.
This P?
Yes.
Press tab.
Okay, now let's run and see.
Run. Okay. Line number 16.
Yes, because okay, you see here, you put a double quotation to indicate the string, but you didn't put it
Okay.
here.
I didn't put it in line 16.
Yes, exactly. You have to put a double quotation before and after, yes. Okay, now run, please. Just put any number, okay. So you have to enter a number. You can put 5 first.
Yes, I put 5. Odd number.
Okay, run again and try to put maybe 8.
Okay. Even number.
Does it work? Do you think it works?
Yes.
Okay, did you understand
Yes.
why we did what we have added here? Do you know why?
The quotations? Yes, I know. We
I
added the
mean,
quotations.
we have done many things
Okay.
here, but do you understand why we
Yes.
did the changes?
Yes. I only don't understand why we like removed the line 12.
Okay, so line 12, I didn't understand what actually you're trying to achieve. You said your number modulus 2. So actually this can work on only one condition. So it can, if you said, I'm, okay, so you said equation, but I'm not very sure if this is a correct variable name, but let's say it's equation like that. So it can work if you say number modulus 2. In this case, yes, it can work, but not in the way that you do it here. And we can put brackets also can, no problem. Okay, so this equation become a variable that carries the result of number modulus 2, which is the remainder of this kind of division. And then I will change the if, then my if will become equation equal 1. So it means that you removed this portion and you save the result in a variable that is called equation. And then, so it means that you will do the modulus operation in a step before the condition. So yes, if you would like to use equation, your if statement become like that. If you don't
Okay.
want, then we will keep it like that. I mean, did you understand now why?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay, that's good. And I need to check, where is Ali? Where is Ali? Give me a second. I don't really understand why Ali is not here.
Master?
Yeah. I'm just writing to Ali's mother.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so I'm not sure. I think he was like somehow traveling and he's maybe arrived late. So he will join in a few minutes, but anyhow, so
Okay.
okay, let me say this, so yeah, there is something called on the keyboard, something called print screen. Okay, so no, I mean, make it easy. Let me make it easy because so Ali is trying to join, but okay. Now look at me here. you are sharing your screen with me, right? Do you see this space? This space have it's me. It means that you are able to write something inside it. Can you
Yes.
write snip? SNIP.
SNIP.
Yes.
SN.
Exactly. It's here. It's appearing to you here.
Yes.
So this, click on it, please.
Okay.
Click.
I clicked.
Oh, it's install on Windows. Okay, it's snipping. It seems that it's not installed. Okay, can you click on that and see if it install?
I think you will need download.
Yeah. Download it. Did you press download?
Yes, I'm pressing download.
Okay.
Mister,
Yes, Ali,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm sorry, I was traveling. I just arrived. So
Okay, open the file here. Yeah, no problem. It's okay. I saw what your mother mentioned. So, can you wait? It actually appear here. Click here, please. Here.
Click here.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
الجو حر قوي يا جماعة. ايه ده؟ قلت الحلقة قالت لي yes you will come.
لا.
Okay. So Ali,
My replit was closed, so I don't know how to open it again. Like
wow.
apps.
Okay.
I go to apps.
No, not apps. You have
Yeah,
to
okay,
go
okay,
to the
خلاص.
replit.com. Yeah.
Yes, I opened it. خلاص. Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
So what will
Okay,
we do?
just open. You have to show me. Okay. This is actually a tool. Okay, that's a bit looks a bit strange. And no need to magnify it, please. Just click new.
New. Okay.
Yes. So okay. So when you click new, if you are actually able to use the cursor to specify which area you would like to actually take as an image. So when you do so, can you try to move this? Can you try? Yes, click with the mouse. You have to click on the area that you would like to actually get a picture
Okay.
of. Let's assume that this portion. Yeah. Yes, that's good. So now, if you right click this,
Right click.
yes, and say copy. Copy, right click.
At the same time.
I mean, right click, you right
Yes,
click
I
and you choose
copied.
copy. Okay,
Yes.
so okay, if you do copy, go to the WhatsApp. If you have WhatsApp here, or
I don't have.
okay, right here, paint. Come here, right paint.
Okay.
So typically, if you open the WhatsApp on, yeah, okay, that's good. Open it. Yes, open it. Control V, right? Control V.
Okay.
So now you see, okay, you took an image and you was able to, okay, come here, view, please.
View.
Yes. So view, remove grid lines. Okay. So what I want to say here that this tool allow you to take images and then you are able to copy images from your computer and share it anywhere else. So now you are able to save this image. If you come here, file, then you are able to save the image. Save as.
Save as.
Yes. And then you can put it maybe on the desktop or anywhere. And then you are able to actually send it to me to the WhatsApp. So which means that, okay, so
I don't have WhatsApp.
You don't have it here, but okay. So
yes.
You are able to go to web.whatsapp and then you are able to log in on the computer using your WhatsApp. Okay, so which means that you are able to send me pictures from your phone, from your laptop to the WhatsApp. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay.
To make it easier to correct the homework.
Yes, exactly. To make it easier to send me, instead of taking a video the way that you take it, you're able to actually snap whatever image that you would like to take from the replit and send it to me.
Mister, so you made all of this so you can take a screenshot,
Yes, yes.
but we can take a screenshot like from the keyboard in my laptop.
In the print screen, yes, but I'm afraid that it will take him maybe sometimes it work with some people, sometimes it doesn't work. So I wanted to go all this way along just to tell him that he can able to send me a print screen or whatever image. Yes,
Okay.
it's true. So yeah, now I think it's time for Ali to share with me what did you do? How is it?
Do I stop
And what?
sharing?
Yes, stop sharing, please.
Okay.
I shared the replet.
Okay, that's good.
So like what do you mean? You mean this one? By
Okay.
I don't understand which one you mean.
Okay. What was the homework?
Homework?
Mm-mm.
1 second. I'll check. You mean last homework?
Yes.
But the session was just on Thursday, so okay. And I was traveling, so like I
Okay.
couldn't do it because like I had no time.
Okay. This is the second time you do that. Okay. Okay.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Okay. Okay. So let me accept that, but you have to know, although you already studied computer science, but okay. Let's see. Are you able to do 3 homeworks on Tuesday?
Yes, I'm able. Yes.
Yes, you tell me yes, but we will see on Tuesday how you do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. We will see. Okay. Yeah, you stop
Yes.
sharing. So let me see. Let me see here. Okay. Are you both living together or near each other?
Like not very near. Like
Oh, okay.
I don't know
10
where he
minutes.
lives exactly.
Sorry again.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. Okay. So this is what we took last time. Okay, let me skip this part. Okay. I think you both can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, can both of you look here at this exercise and tell me what can we do actually to solve this exercise? It's a standard IGCSE exercise that, it's an introduction exercise. So it's not difficult. And most of my IGCSE students are able to solve it. So don't tell me that it's difficult and you didn't take it. Okay, Ali?
No, I know it. Like we'll use case. Like
Okay.
because he said a simple if else is not enough, so we can use case, and then we say otherwise. Print this character is a constant.
Okay, that's good. Are you able
Like
to
I
write
can.
it?
Yes.
Okay, so what about you, Safe? Can we ask the user for a character, and then we need to determine if the character entered, it is either one of those 5 characters. And if yes, so we print out the vowel character. So we are going to use here if
Like last time of the grade. We will use
yes, exactly. Exactly. Yes. So we need to use the same. So are we able to use that? Can you do that now? Can you both start doing it now?
Okay.
Okay.
I duplicate the file, right?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Okay. What do I name it? Homework?
This one, write it vowel
No,
exercise.
the homework one.
Homework, say odd or even.
Okay.
Mr. Writes in Python or in pseudocode?
Python, definitely.
So you want me to use case of otherwise?
If else.
If else, okay.
Mr. So to be sure, the first line I will write character, input your character, right?
Exactly. Yes, correct.
Mister, can I make them all in one line?
Are you sure? This is safe?
Yes.
I think
Like
it's a bit hard and it's not easy
if
to.
I
Yes, okay. If you can, I mean, if you know how to do that, yes, why not?
no
No,
like
but it would be
I
hard
will
actually.
if
To
I wrote
Mhm.
if character is equal to any letter of those print vowel. If else
But he's saying here, he's specifying here, print out the vowel character. How can you know that it is which one? I mean, yes, so you
A,
need to write it is A or it's E or it's I. But how can you know? How can you know if you
should
don't
print
put
out a vowel or not?
okay, you can do it also like that. Okay, if you are able to do it like that, yes. But we didn't take that yet.
Mr. I'm done.
Okay, that's good. Share with me. So
I
so
share.
save. I think we need to do it with the else if if. Stick to that now because if you write all at one line, it will be a bit difficult for you because we
Okay.
didn't take that yet.
Everything I write in if and else, do I use the tab or no?
Yes, it's a standard. So if start at the start of the line, and
Okay.
the second line under the if must be using a tab. Everything under the else if also must be using a tab. So
Okay.
using a tab means it means that this part belong to this condition. If you put it at the start of the line here, it means that whatever part here does not belong to this else if. So it is a way for you to tell the Python which code or which statement belong to the if statement and which does not. Did I manage to clear it for you?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Mr.
good.
I shared.
You shared. So I will stop sharing. Now show me. Okay, that's excellent.
Like we can enter a character.
Okay.
Like I say, like A.
Okay.
Oh,
And you
there's an error.
yes.
Oh, I think what is it? A char is not defined. Did you mean char? I don't understand. Like I should say add char here. I think I forgot something.
Yes, try. So you are taking an input, but you are not saving the input anywhere.
So where should I add another one?
Okay, didn't we learn that if we take a num, for example, we said int, and then we said input inside?
Yeah, so I say so I should say char in here, right?
Yes, it's possible.
And then bracket here, another bracket here.
Yes, and where is your equal? Because it means that you are taking whatever comes from here, you save it here.
One equal?
Yes, one equal, definitely. This is Ali asking, is it?
Yes.
Ali, you're asking me to put 1 equal or 2 equals.
No. I thought I didn't know that the
Okay.
equal should be added here. Like, so now the char will contain the character we enter.
Yes, exactly. Correct.
Okay, so A is a vowel.
Okay, excellent. But okay, so what you did is not bad, but char, it is one of the keywords that is standard for Python. We try to avoid with calling a variable as the same name.
So I can say character, for example. CHR,
Yes,
okay.
yes, exactly. Character also correct. Or CHR also correct.
CHR. Okay, now run.
Wait here.
Let's say P. Oh, no, not O, P. Oh,
Fix
error.
this. See, line
Oh.
8. This is line 8.
P. Yeah, works.
Okay, that's good. But okay, so what about you, Saif? How is it? Are you still doing it?
I'm still writing.
Okay, so
Writing
until Saif writes the code. So please, Ali, can you share your code again, please?
Yes.
So Ali, I need you to explain to me, please. Now you write here 1 equal, and you write here
Yes.
2 equals. Can you explain to me the difference between 1 equal and 2
Yeah,
equals?
1 equal, it's like condition, like you say that the char is like it will contain the character we enter, but the 2 equals, they compare, like if the character that was input is equal to E, if it was equal to I, like this is yeah, the first one.
So if
is
we
like,
have to put a word for this and for this, so this is 1, this is 2. So we have
2, we
assignment.
can say like compare. Yeah, assignment. First one is assignment statement or assignment like assignment operator. I'm sorry. And
Yes.
the second one is like compares.
Equality operator.
Quality, yes. Okay.
Equality check. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's good. That is good. Let me think.
Now stop share, okay? Or
No. Let me think with you. What can we did you learn how to actually so there is a way to improve this print statement, so you don't have to write now at the moment you are writing a different print statement at every line. But what if I tell you I would like you to make the print statement same in all, but they will still print for me something different? So
you can say char, CHR, or
okay,
it will
that's
not work.
good. Yes. Why not? Interesting.
But I think it will print, so it will like consider it as a string, not a.
Okay, then how can we tell Python to consider it as a variable?
We will put it out of the out of the 2 quotations. Double quotation.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Do it. Show me.
Okay. I'll add like double quotation in here, and then a bracket here, and I will delete the first bracket. Okay. Like this, delete it. And then add CHR. And then
okay.
Is there, I think we need to add a space here. I don't know where is the problem.
Okay. So it means, okay, I think something is missing here. Okay.
What?
When we write a print statement with a variable, so we can write
another bracket in here, and then we close like this.
And then we are able to put a double quotation here. So it means that this is a string part. And The bracket there must be a bracket. Anything that you would like to print must be included in the starting bracket and the closing bracket.
Sorry, delete this one. Add this one
And
here.
so the variable doesn't have any double quotation before it or after it. And after we put the variable, we put a comma, and then we start putting anything
Yeah.
in between double quotation.
Okay, so I'll add the same in here. So I do the same in the rest.
Exactly.
Okay. So I'll just
Mister, I'm
click
done.
it.
Can you run, please, and tell me if it works for you?
Okay. It didn't work.
Okay, what is the error?
The error, I wrote if character, two equal signs.
Okay. So what the error is telling you?
Okay. The error,
And what is the line of the error?
line number 2. Syntax error.
Syntax error. Okay, what else?
Syntax error. Yes, I didn't add the
Then add it.
the
Okay.
two dots. Where do I
Okay.
add? After the letter?
Yes, after the letter, yes.
Okay. I didn't add it in any single one of them.
Then you have to add it. It's a standard way of putting the if else statements.
Okay. Also after the else statement.
Yes.
Okay.
You still need to revise line number 3, Ali.
Mister, it worked. I'm done.
Okay, so if you enter A or E or I or O, it will print you the vowel.
Yes.
Okay, and
If
if you
print
enter
character, like if I print A, vowel character is A, E, character E is a vowel. And if I print, I did print J, this character is a constant.
okay, that's really good. And okay, so
Okay.
Ali, why is it a problem here for you here?
Oh,
I duplicate the
there's no
file
problem
also.
now.
Sorry again, Ali. Sorry again, Sif.
I
What
think
you
I
say?
can run now, so
No, you
I-
can't run now. You have a problem here on line number 9.
I duplicate the line, right?
Sorry again. What do you say, Ali? Sif?
Duplicate the line.
What line you want to duplicate? The file you mean?
The file,
No,
I mean, sorry.
No. Wait. Give me a second. I need to see your code.
Okay. I
Okay.
share my screen.
No, wait. I need to finish Ali first. So Ali, how is it? Ali, what's your issue? Ali, I can't hear you. Ali, unmute. Ali, unmute.
yes, the mic was like, I think it now works.
Okay. No, I don't see it running. You
I'm
have to
running
put
now.
input. So Safe, please watch it here, please.
Okay, I'm watching.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
so run, like, let's say P, no, not P, like, let's say A.
okay.
Let's try another one. I. Yeah, it worked.
Okay. So now you know how it works. Okay. So I want you, Safe, to look at this, please. Look at this and this. Isn't it the same in all the lines here?
Yes.
So in your case, did you do something similar or you do it different way?
Okay, so
I don't want
no,
you to
I
change. I just
didn't.
asking only.
No. I did the first line different.
Okay, no problem. So you stop sharing, Ali, and then I would like Safe to share.
Okay.
But Ali, I'm still also, it's a question mark to me. You didn't learn how to do a print statement like we did now, adding a variable to a string?
Mister, can you
Ali?
see my
Yeah,
screen?
yes, I learned, but I forgot a little.
Forgot. Okay. So, okay.
Can you see
Just,
my screen?
yes, I can. So,
Okay.
Ali, so Safe, come here, please. Come on line 15. And
15?
yes,
There is no line 15.
you have to press enter until you reach line 15.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. You write a print statement and you open a bracket and you write char, CHR like that, and you put a double quotation here and you put vowel like this.
Then a
Char,
comma.
comma, double quotation here as a start, double quotation as the end, and inside vowel.
Okay.
So, okay.
Run.
Yes, run. You put P.
I put P. Okay.
Okay, press enter. Okay, this char is a constant. Okay, understood. Let me think here. What should we do? Because you are, sorry, I would like you,
I
because
use character.
yes, you use character. So I would like you to use character here.
Mister,
Where?
in
The line number
pseudocode
one?
One by one, please. Yes, Ali.
Yeah, I'm saying
No,
pseudocode
don't
in
change.
computers.
Don't change. Just
Pseudocode in computer
don't change
science,
it.
like
Don't change it.
Don't change it?
Safe. Don't change it. You change here.
Okay.
Because you will take a lot of time to change this. Pseudocode is used in computer science, but you will find
yeah,
it only
it is
in
very
one.
different. It's a lot different from Python. So this is why like we didn't take this specifically in computer science. Like they were not focusing on this part. This is why I find it a little weird for me. Like it was most on paper. Like they were focusing on logic gates database more than this. Like this question was not very popular.
Oh, so which means that yes, you can. Yeah. Okay. Give me a second, Safe. So Ali, it means that their focus was on pseudocode. And did they ask you to solve the 15 mark question in
Yeah, of
pseudocode?
course, but like the teacher taught us, like not we don't need to get the full mark. We can just do like the most we can, so we can get at least like 50% of the question. And like it's
Was you taking a private class?
yes, and focus like we focus on the easy things like to get like more
Wow.
marks.
Wow.
Like
Okay. So it
like
means
logic
that
gates database and like there was a
you
lot of other questions that not
you never
required.
learned Python. You really never learned
Python, no. No, we don't learn Python in computer. We only learn pseudocode. No Python, no.
Zero
Pseudocode
Python?
only. Zero Python. Pseudocode only.
Wow. That is quite
So
new
this
to
is
me because okay, let me say it. Yeah, it is a strategic decision. I can't say that they are wrong, but we practice something different because most of my students in Germany, in Malaysia, in Hong Kong, they all have to pass a test in the school in Python, which means, so I understand the official exam you can answer in pseudocode or even in Python, but they have school exams on a monthly basis. Why is they are learning Python? It means that if you don't learn Python, you will not pass the school exams. The school itself, not the official.
yeah, because it was all on paper. So like we don't have any brackets. Like these brackets that we write now, we don't have it in computer
Okay.
science. Like all on paper. So why we learn a language that does not work on paper? We learn pseudocode because it cannot be like processed by the computer. This is why.
Understood. But most of my students, on all, I mean, even the AQA board, I think they also still practice Python
We were
in
Cambridge. I don't
Replit.
know.
Yeah, I
Cambridge in
understand.
Egypt.
But yes, Cambridge, I understand. I teach Cambridge, but of course I teach it outside Egypt. So all of them, most of them also have to write in Replit, like what I'm doing now. And they have exercises from their school teacher that they have
No,
to
we take
answer in
we take an
Replit.
ICT session. Like we don't like we focus on Word, Excel. I don't know like that, but we don't focus on Python or programming.
Okay. Okay, I got it. I got it. That's slightly different, and it's very interesting to know how it is going in Egypt. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, yeah. Okay. I mean, I'm not here to judge the people here in Egypt. They definitely they know the things better, how it works in Egypt. So it's yeah. I mean, let them handle the way they do it. It's okay as long as it works for the students. It's okay. So okay, now what about you, Safe? Did you notice when you enter D here, the D, we managed to print it out here.
Yes, because
okay.
we wrote print character and then comma vowel.
Okay, so what I would like you to do is that you are writing a different string or a sentence here, here, here. Every time you have to write here A, here E, here I. But why I can't write a standard string or that works with every print? So but the only thing that is different, it is the character itself. Okay, so if we include the variable name beside a standard string, then we are able to use something that is fixed in all of them here. So you don't have to, you can just copy and paste. Do you know what I mean, or are you confused? If you are confused, then let me prove that to you later.
I think like 60%.
60%.
Let's make it clear. So basically you are telling me instead of writing all of these lines in different ways each time, I only need to write it in a way that can be suitable for every single letter, then copy paste to make it work.
Exactly. So if you change this, you say character is a vowel. So if you add here, instead of only writing vowel, so you can say.
Yes, I understand now.
Okay, that's good. So if you do that, definitely you can just copy this whole and put it in all of those lines and it will work. So you don't have to write a different print statement every line. That is the point of thinking when you are coding. So you write less amount of lines, not only less amount of lines, but you put less effort. So you can use your tools of copy and paste to save your time. Okay, does this make sense? Both of you, Ali
Yes.
and Safe. Okay, that's good. Let's move to the next. So you have to stop sharing and I will share.
Okay. I stopped.
Okay. And so, okay. Now, can you see my screen, both of you?
Not yet.
Ali is
Now, yes.
Ali is eating his lunch and he is
No,
not
I'm
even
here.
inviting us.
I'm here.
Okay, that's good. So, okay. Do you know what is iteration?
Yes, it's like a loop repeating.
Okay, that's good. So okay. To make our code smart, we need to add a tool that can make us write a less amount of lines and make this tool do the coding for us, or do the printing for us, or make it. First, it makes the code smart. It makes us write a less amount of lines if we are smart enough to write to understand it. So we are going to take 3 types of loop. The first type of loop that we're going to take at the moment is called count controlled loop.
For
loop, exactly. So okay, forget about the pseudocode part. Let's look here. So this is a format of a loop, how you build a loop. Okay, so at the moment, forget about these 3 numbers that you're getting here. Okay, let us focus on that we write only 5. Instead of writing 3 numbers, we write only 5. So we say.
Mister, can you repeat why do we use a loop?
So we use loop for many reasons. It makes us, if we write a proper loop, we are able to write less amount of code. We make our code smarter. We make the Python do many jobs for us so that we actually don't spend too much time writing a code. So it adds a smartness to your code. We will see how that works. So a for loop, I'm writing a loop. This is I mean, this is the header of the loop, and the header of the loop decides how many times the line after the loop is going to be executed. So at the moment, this loop will decide how many times this print statement is going to get run or to get printed out on the screen. So what I'm trying to print here is I'm trying to print counter. And so the counter here is a variable. And when we're going to print counter, it means that we're going to go in the memory and fetch out what is stored in the memory for the variable counter, and we're going to print it out. So, okay, now, before we continue talking, this is only 2 lines. Duplicate the current file and call it vowels, the current files in the main, or the current content of the main. Duplicate it and call the new file vowels, and then empty the main, and then write these 2 lines. Guys, are you following up?
Yes, I'm following. I'm doing this.
Yes.
Yes, good.
So we write the same thing?
What is the same thing? It's only 2 lines that you see
Yeah,
here.
4 count. Okay. But why did you do like a red thing on this one?
You mean here? You mean here vowels?
Yes.
And I mean, I want
No,
you to
the
here.
5. Yes, you cross. Yes,
I want
this
to
one.
make it simple first. Yeah, let's start with
Okay.
simple because yeah.
Mister, in school, in university, sorry,
Mhm.
they would start with us from the, like, in every most of the subject they will start with us from like 0, right?
Yes, but they will move fast. They will not.
Okay.
I mean, yes. I mean, I mean, maybe in the normal school that you take maybe 7 months to be able to finish the computer science curriculum, but there no, and maybe only 3 months you find yourself finishing the whole subject and then taking even a midterm exam. I mean, many exams you're going to take. So it is the how to say, the rhythm of the movement is fast.
Okay.
So that's why we take our time here, we practice. So to that, so it means
So-
that you cannot you cannot miss an understanding now. If you miss an understanding now, you find it difficult later in the university.
Okay.
So that's why you have to ask me.
Yes. Also, so in university, like the foundation year, is it way harder than the IGCSEs?
It depends on university. It depends on the university. Sometimes I see students. I mean, from what I have seen, it really depends. Sometimes I see students in the first year in like in Egypt, it's very hard. The university, the first foundation year is very hard. It's tough.
Okay.
I taught the people in University of Taylor. Did you ever hear about Taylor? Taylor is quite
Yes.
popular. So
Yes, I heard.
Taylor is, I think it's okay, not so difficult. Not so difficult. Okay. So it depends on university. It depends on the professor also. I think majorly it depends on the professor. If he spent too much time to take you up to the level, or he want to push you, and then so the Indian professors tend to be a bit rough in the way, the Indian and the Chinese. That's what I've seen. Even in Malaysia or even outside Malaysia, they tend to be taking this. They are not, how to say, they are not sensitive to the student levels. They assume that the student should move very fast, so they are a bit harsh on the way that they take the student from 0 until up. They want you to move very fast with them. So that is a style that I noticed in Indians and sometimes Chinese from China, not from Malaysia. Okay, so but it's just be prepared. If you finish what we are going to do now, because I will not stop at the IGCS level. I will move a bit beyond that, just in case that you face that later. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Mr.
Okay, so now what about Ali? Where are you?
Yeah, I finished.
And did you run?
Yes, it says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So if I ask you, what is the purpose of this code?
To print the numbers under, like if you type 10, it will print from 0
No,
to 9.
at the moment, the purpose
To
of the
print,
code is to print
to-
from 0 until
0 to 4.
0 to 4. Okay. And so, okay. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, what about safe?
But
Are you stuck?
I don't understand range 5. So why did not print 5?
Okay, because 5 is exclusive. It means that it
Mister-
will, once it reach 5, it will stop.
And
Now,
why did it start from 0?
that's a
Not
good
like
question.
1.
This is the default. So the default, if you did not specify something else, it will default from 0. Okay, and it will end. So if you only see one number inside the bracket of the range, it means that it will stop once it reach 5. And if it stop once it reach 5, it means that it will never print 5 here. So, okay. Now, safe, can you please look with me here? I'm not sure if you finish or not, but just look
I'm
here.
finished, yes.
So okay. The purpose of this header of the for loop, that first of all, we have a variable here. Our variable is named counter. Are we able to change the counter to something else? Yes, I can put even X. I can put even Y, or even I. I also is popular. So you can remove counter and you can put I. So I am choosing the variable name as I wish. It is me that choose that, okay? So at the moment, it is named counter, okay? So what will happen? What the for loop will do for us? It will take numbers starting from 0 until it reach 5 and assign it to the counter for us. And this is done under the hood. So it means that the Python do it for us without our interaction or intervention. So what will happen is so once you come here for the first time, it will put 0 inside the counter. So it means that this counter will be equal 0. Who will put the 0? The for loop will put it for us. And why specifically 0? Because the default starting number of the for loop is 0 unless you specify something different. I will show you how you start from 1 and from 2, but give me a second. So now the first time we run here, the for loop will put inside a value inside this variable 0. So when you come to print here, the first number you're going to print, you are going to print 0. So we will see an output 0. Okay. And then after you finish this line, it will check. If there is any other lines that you put it under, it will get also executed. If not, it will come again to the counter. The counter here will add 1 to the current value of this counter. It will add 1 to it. So it will become 1. So 1 will be saved as the current value of the variable counter. Okay. And then we will check if the 1 is less than 5, we're going to execute that line again. And that line say print counter. The current value of counter is 1. So we will print 1 here. Again, guys, are you lost from what I'm saying?
I got lost somehow.
This is safe.
Yes.
No, I'm not lost.
Okay. Where do you get lost, safe?
Like for counters is equal to 0 plus 1 equal 1.
Okay, and we save the 1 inside the counter. So it means that you actually remove everything and you just save 1 inside the counter. So a variable, I'm able to change its content at any time I'm running. So, okay, tell me another question that you get you confused.
No, from this part I didn't
Okay,
understand.
never mind. Okay, just give me one more second and let me continue, and then from there I will ask you a question and try to dig where I lost you. So okay, now if the current value of counter is equal 1, and the 1 is less than 5. Is it 1 less than 5 or not? True or no? If it is less than 5, I will go execute this, which will print 1 to the screen. And then after I finish that, I will come again to the for loop. And then we will add 1 to the variable, to the current value of counter. So at the moment, we have 1 stored inside it. So we will add another 1 to it. It will become 2. And we will check, is it 2 is less than 5? If it is true, you will actually print the value here of the current value of counter. Current value of counter is 2. We will print it out to the screen until you reach 5. So if you reach 5, you will check, is it 5 is less than 5? No, 5 is not less than 5. So it means that you will not print the value 5, you will only stop at 4. So now I would like to stop sharing, and I want Safe to share the code with me.
The code that I wrote already.
Yes, please.
Okay. I'm sharing.
So Ali, I think you are 90% understanding what we are taking here.
Yes.
But did you ever write this for loop before? Or you
I
only
wrote
take
it
it
like-
with the for next?
Yeah, in pseudocode.
Can you see,
I
Mr.
took for
Maestri?
next, and I took repeat until and while, do and while.
Okay, that's in pseudocode. Yes, okay. So okay, now you guys see that because we have 5 here, we print from 0 until 4. What about if we change this 5 to 6? Can you please, Safe, change it to 6?
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Run, please. Control Z.
Control Z.
Mm.
Okay.
One more time. Control. Yes. Okay. Now run, please. So do you see now, when you change the value here, it means that the loop will continue running for one more time and it will print 5. So 5 is one number less than 6. 6 is always exclusive, which means that you will never reach 6. You will always print something, one number less before 6. So we say, okay, if you would like to know what is the numbers that you're going to see here. So you take 6 minus 1, it will give you 5. This is the 5 that you're going to see here. Okay. So what if I tell you, we change this number to 21. So Safe, tell me, I'm going to print from 0 until which number?
20.
Okay, perfect. So Ali, do you agree to the same?
So you always go like 1 under, we print, like if we do 6, we print 5. If you do 7, we
Exactly.
print
And
6.
that is not the case in pseudocode. Pseudocode is slightly different.
Yes.
Okay, good. So can you come here on line number 4, please?
4.
Yes. So I will ask Safe to write something, 2 lines, or even 4 lines, and then I would like Ali also to print the same. So okay, now create num, write num equal 10, and then print
Equal 10.
and print num, and then say num equal 12, and then print num.
No. Print num.
Num in brackets. So
Yes,
Ali,
as
do the
well.
same, please.
I add quotations or no?
No quotation. This is a
Okay.
variable, so we don't add quotations before the variable.
Okay. They are the same num?
Yes, they are the same num. So Ali, I expect you to write the same. Now,
Okay.
please run.
Yes.
Okay, so these 2 lines belong to, one belongs to this print statement, the 12 belong to this statement. So here on line number 4, I stored 10 inside the num variable. and then I print it out. And then on line 6, I stored another number, which is 12, inside the num. Right? And then I print it out. So one time num will be 10, another time it will be 12. Okay? So it means that the same variable, I'm able to change its content. Okay? Now, Saif, did you understand this or no?
It is the same num that I can change its content.
Yes, exactly. It is the same num that you're able to change its content. So it is like, okay, this is the place in the memory. This is the RAM. And then we reserve a place to store our content, and we call that place num. Same like here. And then we come here, we put a value 10. And then anytime I call num inside a print, it will print me the content of this place, which is 10 at the moment. So what if I come later, like I did on line number 6, I put here 12. So when you print that 10, sorry, somebody did something. Safe, can you stop sharing and share again? You did something that doesn't allow me to write anymore.
Me?
Yes, you stop sharing and share again.
Okay. Stop sharing. Share.
So
I'm
Ali,
sure, but there's
yes,
something weird. Like, how do we can we say that the same thing is equal to, like, we say num equal 10 and then the same num equal 12?
this is Ali, right?
Yes.
This is confusing to you.
Like, num is the same thing. So how can num be equal to do different things?
Okay, that is interesting. That's good. That's good that you told me that. Okay. So, okay. The num is a place in the memory that I reserve to save an integer. Okay? An integer value. At the moment, on line number 4, I put 10 inside it. Okay? A variable, the name, I mean, when we call num is a variable, it means that num are able to have different values during the lifespan of my coding or my code or my program. So it means that, okay, this is a place that I'm able to store any number inside here, which means that using an equal, the equal sign, I can use it anytime. Anytime I would like to put a value inside num, I use this way. You use this way, you put any number here, it will get stored inside num. Num is a variable, which means that its value can be changed. And this is the concept of using variable, that its value can be changed. A constant, its value cannot be changed. What is a constant? A number like this. This is a constant. You cannot change it. You're not supposed to change it. You use it in calculation, but you're not supposed to change it. But a variable is something that can be changed. So at any time, I can change the content in the memory that is saved under the name, the variable num. So I put here 12. And where is the 10 gone? 10 gone with the wind. It's gone. It's disappeared. It's no presence of 10 anymore. So it means that 10 get replaced in the memory with 12. And now where is 10? There is no 10 anymore. We don't know about 10 anymore. Okay?
Oh, yes, I understood.
Clear? Safe. What about now? Safe. Safe. Did you understand now?
Better, yes.
Like, do you have arrays or something like that?
Wait, I mean, yes, definitely we have arrays, but I mean, if we are still confused by the basics, let's finish the basic. Definitely we will go through arrays and 2D arrays. Now, I would like you, both of you, to try one thing. This line, change it to be num equal num plus 1. Guys?
Again, mister, can you repeat?
Yes. So line number 6, please change line number 6 to be num equal
done.
num plus
Done.
1. Okay,
Done.
now when you run, what you will see
11.
printed out.
Like, the last one is 11 instead of 12. But all
Okay.
the same.
Okay, good. Can you change it to be +2, please, and tell me what you see?
It will be 12. Okay.
Okay, so it means that when I say, so it means that here he takes the current value and he put it here in this equation and he add 2 to it and it gives me 12. So, and I'm able to print it and 10 disappear totally from the memory. We have no way to get the 10 anymore. Okay, so this technique of adding a value to the current value, this is how we do it. Is that clear to you or no?
Yes, clear.
Okay,
Yes, clear.
so if it is clear, so you need to understand that what I'm doing here, every time the loop runs, it actually say counter equal counter +1. So,
But
yeah.
don't
Yeah.
we need to say like next count or next counter
No,
or
you don't have to write next. In Python, you don't need to do that. In pseudocode, yes. Okay, but you don't have to write next counter in Python. It do automatically for you. Python is a language that is written to write less amount of syntax to achieve a lot of things. Okay, so this is how they design it. They don't want you to write more code. They want you to write less code to achieve more. This is the concept here. Okay, so inside the loop, what it does, it actually every time. So the first time we run the counter, it starts from 0. Okay, now let us look. Is this concept clear? Is this part clear? So I can explain more about the for loop. Saif and Ali, I would like confirmation. This.
Yes, clear.
Okay, good. Now remove the 6 and replace that with 0, 6,
0.
and 1. 0, 6, 1. Run, please. Do you see any changes in the result?
No.
The result is exactly the same. Why is the
it's
result
like
the same?
substring. I think it's like substring.
No, it is not. It is not. It's different from substring. Wait. So when I was using only range with a 6 only, this is a shortcut. Okay. This is the typical form that you should use. Okay. So this 0 decide the start value that you need to assign to the counter value variable. So if you would like to get printing out from 0, you should keep this as 0. And 6 is a typical 6 that we say we will stop before it by 1. So this 6 is my end.
And 1 is the step that I stop before it?
Yes, the 1 is okay. Here we
It's
add
it's 6
plus
minus
1.
1.
So every time you increase the counter value by this number. What about if you change this 1 to 2? Can you do, please?
Yes.
I expect Ali to do the same. Okay, now run, please, and see. So you will see that I'm printing 0, 2, 4, and that's it.
So if I make this number 0, it shall stop at 6.
It will not even run.
Not run?
Let's see.
Shouldn't it stop at 6? Okay.
Just try.
Okay.
It cannot, because this is the way. If he runs, it means that he will run forever. You will never reach 6. We depend on this value to keep incrementing the value of counter. If you don't increment the counter, it will never reach 6. If you keep adding 0 to the counter value, so how can you reach 6 at the end?
Mister, so
Okay, now I understand.
It's like a rule. The third comma, like if we add the third comma, it will. Why does it said decimal?
It doesn't accept decimal. It doesn't accept decimal point.
Float, right?
It cannot. Yes, it have to be integer. Now, Ali, please ask me. Wait, Saif, please. Ali,
Is there like we can do a fourth comma or it's only three comma?
no,
Like
3 commas. 3 commas. The standard is 3 commas. Okay. So, okay. Now, if I would like you to start with 1. So I would like you to change this 0 to make it 1.
yeah, start from one. Mister, I changed the middle number to a huge number.
But
It
wait,
kept yeah.
yep.
Look.
That is yeah, horrible. Yeah. Okay. So you also have to understand that this is a free tier that we don't want to consume our computing power. They give you a free computing power to a certain limit. So please don't play a lot with the loops because it will typically consume power from the free thing. Okay.
I don't
So
understand. So it will not work well again if I keep doing this.
they will stop you at certain level. They will ask you to pay. Okay.
Oh.
So it was until maybe last November, it was totally free. And most of the schools was using it outside Egypt. I'm not talking about Egypt. I don't teach Egyptian. Just so that you are. I mean, you are an exception. I don't know how it happens, but so my experience with students are outside Egypt. So typically, the most of the schools, even US, UK, and so on, they was using Replit in the classes. But then Replit introduced reduced the amount of free tier, the free usage, and people have to pay for it. Some schools have the money to pay for it, some schools doesn't. So people
How
start to
much?
change.
I think if
I can't remember. It's I don't know, 20, 30 USD. I can recall.
per month or per year.
They pay per month, but let me convert. Let me check that. But actually, I personally got it. I got an exception. I got it for free. But
Wow.
wait, that's a different story. Let me tell it to you later. But let me just tell you this. So the person who created this Replit, they are 3 Arab people from Jordan. But if you see how the foreigners are and the American schools are depending on Replit, you will be really surprised that they I mean, this is an Arabic product or an Arabic idea that managed to take itself to the US. I mean, they are present in the US, not in the, but they are three Jordanians partners who built or started this Replit. Okay,
$25 per month. So
yeah,
much.
around that. Yes, it's a lot
£1,000.
actually. So you don't really need. I mean, we start with this, and then on a later stage, I will take you to install one software on free inside your computer, but not at the start. At the start, it is easy for us to start with Replit, and you are able to put a lot of things here, and I'm able to follow up running and the output at the same page.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes.
So, like, when will we like be good at coding so that we could work online, anything like this?
Be patient. No, not so soon. Just be patient.
6 months?
It depends of you. If you put time, yes, maybe. Yeah, not before 6 months. Okay. But there is exceptions. I have taught one girl from Africa. She's an African. I think Mozambique or somewhere. She was one of the smartest students I ever taught, and I think in less than 2 months, she was answering very hard questions in Python, and she was very smart. So there is an exceptions always. Okay, now let us focus here, guys. So again, Saif, can you tell me the purpose of this loop is to do what?
This loop?
Yes. These 2 lines of code, what is the purpose of having them?
Do I explain by each number?
Mm,
So,
the purpose is to print a certain the numbering in certain arrangement. So it depends on the numbering that we use here, and it will print whatever we decided as a start, and it will stop before the end, and it will keep incrementing based on the 2 here. So at the end, the purpose of this code to print a series of numbers according to our specification here. Does this make sense to you?
Yes.
Ali and Ali,
Yes.
do you have questions, Ali?
Yeah, so 182, it will do 1, 3, 5, 7, and then stop.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you know it starts from 1 because you put here 1?
Yes.
It ends before the 8 because you put 8 here, so it's last thing is 7. The 2 is, so every time you increment by 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And so on. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. Now, what if I would like to improve this? Am I able to say print, open brackets, and say double quotation counter equal, and then I put comma, and what should I put here? Is that correct? Will that work?
I don't know.
Okay, can you please try?
Okay.
What is the purpose of this statement? Print counter equal count.
He only added counter before everything.
Exactly. But you forgot the equal. That's why it doesn't print the equal.
Okay.
So now did you understand what is the purpose of this statement? Hello, guys. Ali.
Which statement?
I mean, line number 2, when we adjusted the content of line number 2 now, every time we run, we print a string and a variable content. The variable content is the counter. And the fixed thing that we keep printing is everything in between the double quotation. So anything in between double quotation will be printed as it is. If you write here donkey, it will print the donkey as it is. It will not change it. So
Yeah.
it prints the string as it is. Is that clear for both of you?
Yes.
Okay, save.
But the 10 and the 12 will not add counter because they are down, like they're not inside.
Yes, so what I will do is just to separate things. Yes, this 2 doesn't have count because I didn't add any string here. So that's why they print those 2 alone. Typically, when I have two different codes like this, so I will come on line number 3, press enter 2 times, and then I will say print double quotation dash dash dash. Save. Are you able to do that? Line number 3, save.
Yes, I can hear you, mister. I write the same things.
Yes, same like here.
Do I make a tab?
No need to tap.
Okay.
So if I put it a tab, it means that it will run it. This print will belong to the for loop, and I don't want that.
Okay. Dash, 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 dash.
Excellent.
Dash.
Run, please.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, did you see Ali? Ali,
Yes.
is that
Yes.
clear to you what we are doing?
Yes, I did the same.
Okay. And I would like somebody to tell me, if I press tab on line number 3, what will happen?
It will do more space.
Okay. Now, save, please come here and press tab.
Okay. Before the letter P?
Exactly.
Okay. Tab.
Make it
Another-
exactly same like, yes, exactly. Now
Okay.
run, please.
Run.
Did you see what happened?
Yes.
Did you understand why it happened like this?
No.
Who say no?
Both.
Here.
Both of you, okay. So both of you say no. Okay. So okay, I am saying by pressing the tab, you are saying that the two lines that will get executed for a number of times decided by the for loop is these two. So every time I am not reaching 8, every time I'm not reaching 8, I will print this one time. These two lines will go printed together one time. So when the counter is equal 1, I will print this 2 one time. When the counter is equal 3, I will print this 2 another time. And when the counter is equal 5, I will print this 2 one time, and so on. So if I put any other print statement under, it will also get executed under the for loop. It means that they belong to the for loop. So by pressing tab, you are telling the Python, these two lines belong to the for loop and will get executed by the number of times decided by the numbers
because of
here.
the indentation, right?
Exactly. The indentation play a big role here.
But we don't need to end the loop, like no end. It just start, and the indentation, it's like the
Well, the end is decided by here. You don't need to do any other end. You don't need to write a next counter like you do in, you don't want to do that. It's not needed here in the Python. Okay, so there is no marking for the end. The tab is enough. Is that clear? Hello,
Yes.
guys. Ali, confusing?
yes. No, I understand.
Okay, now I would like you to do one thing for me. Change this variable name and put it I.
Which one? Counter?
Yes,
Put it I, capital or small?
small.
Run?
Yes, try to run, please.
Okay.
What is the error? And read the line of the error, please.
Line number 2.
Okay, he's saying what? He's saying what here?
File name counter is not defined.
So he is telling that he search for a variable name that got a definition that is counter, and it cannot find it. It cannot find something stored in the RAM under the name counter. Why? Because you decided to remove the variable name counter from here and you put I.
I put it I.
So
So
now,
I put line 2
exactly.
I.
Yes, exactly. Put I
In
down.
both ones or the one before quotations?
No, the one before quotation, it is a string. You don't need to change it.
Okay.
So it will still print counter equal and it will not have a problem.
Yes, it ran.
So now both Ali and Saif, did you understand why I did the change and how it worked?
Safe,
No,
I don't
it's
understand.
still not working with me.
Ali, wait, give me a second before I change to your screen. Saif, tell me what is the issue, and then so that I can move to Ali.
Okay, I don't understand when I do know that when we remove the I know why it didn't run.
Yes,
This
okay.
part I understand.
Yeah, okay.
The part
And
I don't understand is like how did you know where do I place the I?
you're talking about here or here?
Line number 2.
How? Okay, because I mean I just now I removed the counter, I put the I. How I know that it should be put here? Because anything under you're confusing why I didn't change here. This is a string.
Yes, why
So,
not both?
Okay, it's my choice. I can change the string. This is a string. I can put a donkey inside and it will not so okay.
It won't
Anything,
affect
it won't
anything?
affect. Okay, so it will, okay, the one that will actually go affect, it will, anything not between double quotation, it will consider it a variable. So it will go in the memory and search if there is a value stored under the name I. But in the counter case, it is in between double quotation, which means that he does not need to search the memory for it. He will just print whatever you put in between these two, exactly the same like he did here. So
okay, and
yes,
if I change the name counter, it will change counter in the right side.
exactly.
Okay, I understand now.
Okay, is that clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, now Ali, stop sharing Safe, and Ali, please share your screen and tell me what is your issue.
Okay. I stopped sharing.
Ali started to take his lunch and he did not consider
No,
us.
no. Yeah, Mister, I'm sharing. 1 second.
Okay.
I shared. Uh,
Okay. Now, what's your issue, Ali? Ali did not remove the counter. He put the I and the counter at the same time. So that's why it said invalid syntax. So, okay, I understand, Ali, your position here. So this counter, I said replace counter with I. It means that
yeah.
if I said replace, means that you need to delete.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
now
go.
what about here? Can you run?
Okay. There's error encounter here.
Why?
I don't know.
So, okay, you was defining a variable inside the for loop and you name it counter. You remove it, but the computer will still try to search for it. It will search for the value
I. So I
inside
should
counter.
I.
Yes.
I'm sorry, yes, I'm a little tired.
Okay.
Um,
It seems that it was a long ride.
yes, 3 hours.
Wow. Okay. Now run here, please.
Okay, I run.
Okay. It works. Does it
Yes.
work? Okay.
Yes.
What if you put hash here and this is the last thing that we're going to do today?
Together we built our cake, but we didn't take
Okay.
it that. We took it to Leland, the billionaire alumnus who had just donated $20.
Okay. What do you think?
After reviewing our evidence, Brodsky said
Yeah,
that
it does not add these dashes.
Okay, that's good. So by reaching this thing today, I think we're going to end our class now. Do you have any questions, Saif and Ali?
No, thank you.
Saif and Ali, please have a good sleep and please do the homework without delays. Can you do that,
Yeah.
please?
I will do the 3 homeworks
Okay.
before Tuesday.
Yeah, okay. I see promises. I need to see something in practice and reality. Okay.
Mr.
Take
The
care.
time I show you the homework, is it bad?
It's okay. At the start is okay. I would like it earlier, but it's okay. Acceptable.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.